Hi everyone, in this video I will be teaching you how to get iPhone verification code. So let's begin. The very first step that I will be teaching you is that you should check on your signal. So this right here is the signal. So you should have at least one or five, I think four signal bars right here. So this will indicate that you have a working signal and then you may receive um codes from Snapchat, for example, or from Facebook or etc. And then now, once you have checked that, you should also check in your control center whether or not you have turned on airplane mode. So whenever you turn on airplane mode, then that means that your signal or your SIM will be temporarily turned off. So you may not be able to receive codes from your text, from again your Snapchat or your Facebook and etc. And then now, once you have checked these and then it still doesn't work, then you should go to your settings, go to general, go to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and then click on reset network settings right here. So this will refresh your network settings and then everything should be fine now. So that's it. That's how you can get iPhone verification code.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.